Hi everyone, it's Sandie Patton with RE/MAX in Paradise, California with an end of the year update for you. Our current population in Paradise is 9,100, hoping to go over 10,000 next year. They are doing underground utilities everywhere and power lines are coming down. So right now the status is 70% completion. They're supposed to have it done by 2025. Everything will be underground utilities. There's high-speed internet, and the roads will be repaved by the end of 2025 also, because they have to repave them after they tear them up to put the power lines under. That's what's happening now. Anyway, currently there are 324 available lots for sale. Some of those are commercial, some of them are residential. There's two big things that I help my buyers look for when purchasing a lot, and one is the septic and leach line status, having an inspection on those, and the other is the water lines too. Some of them are still active accounts, which is great, but if they're not, just making sure that the water can be replumbed in for building. So I am here in town to help you. If you want to come back, please send me a message, and if you've never been here and you're thinking of retiring here, I'd love to talk to you.